Hey everybody, it's Molly. I am doing kind of an unexpected video in my kitchen right now because I got a butcher box shipment today. There's Harley. She's being super whiny. I got a butcher box shipment today and I figured I would open it on video, kind of like a vlog type thing and like product review. So it is Wednesday. I worked today like 5.5 hours and I made 155. So I'm happy with that. It was a good day. I don't know what this is. So we got chicken breast, all this stuff for, I want to say $149. I need to find out. This is dry ice. I don't know what this is. Nothing. This is just shipping material. Man, you guys, this stuff is like really frozen. So we got 3.77 pounds of chicken breast. It is all organic. I don't normally buy organic, and grass-fed. This is grass-fed ground beef. 2 of them. That's pretty sweet. The ground beef is free with a membership too, so we get free ground beef for life. There's 2 huge portions there. Grass-fed beef boneless chuck roast. We make roast like at least once a week. And you can pick and choose what you want in your box too, so you don't have to get this. Alexa, stop. I just realized that the music was playing that whole time. These are beef steak tips. A pound. Oh, my fingers are cold. This is ground beef. Oh, I'm sorry. These are burgers, I think. It says grass-fed ground beef, but this is also ground beef. Raised without antibiotics and hormones. Grass-fed. So that's 2 of those. And then, you guys, these are really cold. Beef ribeye steaks. And more beef ribeye steaks. So we got all of that. So the handbook has a welcome to Butcher Box. It has a bunch of different chapters about cooking all the different things and then recipes for the different things. It's like a customized, is it customized? Oh no, it's not customized, but it's got all the different meats in here and it explains like how to cook. Different ways of cooking, temperatures, all kinds of cool stuff. So that is neat. You get that, the kitchen handbook. So I'm excited. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Chicken breast, burgers, ground beef, chuck roast, ribeye steak, and premium steak tips. Sorry, we got all that for I think $149. So you can customize your box too. Like we picked everything that we wanted based on our meals that we eat. That's where our snake is back there. So anyway, I was just making dinner and we're having venison steak tonight. It wasn't from the box, but I was like, I'm gonna open that. So we're gonna try it out and see how it goes, and I will have to update you guys. But if you wanna try Butcher Box, definitely grab my link and go check it out. So say bye. Say bye. She's looking at me like, what? All right, I will see you guys soon. Bye.